It's a new month, which means it is time to restock the pantry. So today we're going to be doing a full unboxing of the Balanced Pantry Box. This is going to be the April 2026 box. And it is colorful this month. Look at all of those goodies. The other thing that's amazing is you are going to receive full-size products in here. For example, we're going to get this very large bag from Harvest Snaps. So this is baked red lentils and it's flavored as tomato basil, which I don't know about you guys, but that combination is always good to me. I mean, whether it's in soup form or it's a seasoning, it just always tastes perfect. So I am excited to try these. I will definitely enjoy these at some point. Now this one is all gluten-free, non-GMO as well. There is some protein in here. So it features 15 grams of protein for the entire bag, which honestly is pretty decent, especially because it is lentils in here. I think this sounds super yummy. I have tried this brand before, but not this flavor. So I have high hopes for it. I mean, the other one was good, so I would think this is gonna be great too. Next up, we have some oatmeal in here, a pantry staple, that is for sure. So this is from a brand called Purely Elizabeth. It is all organic. So this is instant oatmeal. There's oats, flax, and chia seeds in here, but all of the ingredients are 100% organic. So that's awesome. So this one is all created by Elizabeth. I'm sure we could guess that. And apparently Elizabeth is a holistic nutrition counselor. So she states that you will feel better when you eat better, which I completely agree with. She said she started this brand Purely Elizabeth to make food with nourishing ingredients that are delicious, but also are going to help you to thrive on your wellness journey. So that is why this is all non-GMO. Everything is organic. It's also gluten-free, vegan. There's no artificial flavors in here either. And it's best until December of this year. So I got the rest of the year to enjoy this. I'll probably enjoy it way before then, but I love it. I've not tried this brand before, but I definitely like her mission. Next up, we have some salsa. Ooh, this looks spicy. If you're a spicy lover, you are probably gonna like this, but whenever I see a skull on the bag, I know this is gonna be hot. Also, you know, there happens to be a little temperature gauge over here and it quite literally says hot. So, you know, I may die from this one, but at least it'll taste good. So this one is from Salsa Queen. It is freeze-dried red chili salsa. So it's vegan and gluten-free and no preservatives in this. So this is just the dry mix. All you're going to do is add water to this mix. And apparently that's it. And then you have salsa all ready to go. There's no sugar that's been added to this either. They said this is great. You can put it over top of your burritos, tacos, or even over eggs. So if you wanted to have a little kick for your breakfast, they recommend taking this if you're gonna go camping, if you're going on a little trip, this is a perfect item to take with you. I think that's a great idea, actually. Even boating it mentions. So all you gotta do is add water to it and you got salsa. And it probably wouldn't be so hot if you were boating, you know, and you're out by water. I don't know, it's just an idea. So the next item that we have inside of our April box is from Street Tacos. This is taco seasoning. Okay, this is definitely a pantry staple, right? I feel like everybody's pantry always has taco seasoning. This one even gives you a recipe on the back if you want to have an authentic dish. But this is going to be vegan, gluten-free, and all organic once again. It features chili pepper in here, sea salt, chipotle, garlic, paprika, cumin, oregano, onion, black pepper, coriander, sugar, jalapeno, and thyme in the ingredient list. So basically a little bit of everything. I am picking up on a theme with this month's box, you guys. So next up, we have Mexican pinto beans in here. I will say, this is also another pantry staple. I always have beans and lentils in the pantry. So this one is pinto beans that have been slow simmered with tomato, green chilies, and then additional spices. So you guys, we've already got like an entire dinner planned out here in this box. We've got our beans, we've got the salsa, we also had the taco seasoning mix. I love it. It's just like one night where I don't have to think about what I'm making for dinner. It's already been decided for me. This brand is called A Dozen Cousins, by the way. They mentioned that growing up their kitchen was a delicious melting pot of different flavors. So they had the Caribbean, Latin American food, and even Creole. And they started A Dozen Cousins together so that they could share their favorite dishes together. They named it quite literally after all of the cousins. That is so cute. What else is in here? This is so exciting. I love getting new foods every month. So next up we have from New York Style. These are authentic baked bagel chips. They're everything bagel seasoning. Why is it when you say everything, you have to say bagel? It's everything bagel. It's not just everything seasoning, it's everything bagel. I don't know, maybe that's just a me thing, but this is what it looks like here. So these are going to be like dried crisps, if you will, but they've got that everything bagel seasoning on them. I am so excited about these. No artificial flavors or colors have been added to this. This one says that it's all made in New York in a New York minute. Best by date is October 30th of this year. So again, plenty of time to use it. There is no way this is gonna last that long, but at least you know you don't have to eat this quickly. They do give you some ideas of how to serve these. So you could do it like a charcuterie board style. They also mentioned you could do like a tuna salad. That would make a great lunch. This is a great idea. I get why it's in the pantry. You just make it real quick and you've got an easy lunch. This is my kind of pantry is what I'm saying. Next up, we also have an energy smoothie. This one is blue raspberry flavored and it has caffeine in it. So another great option to take with you for your lunch for the day. So this energy smoothie has the blue raspberry flavor. There's 100 milligrams of caffeine included in this pouch, and there's only 80 calories for this entire smoothie. I think that's fantastic. There's 5 grams of protein and no added sugar. Last up for this month, we are also going to receive a drink inside of our box. This is from Bubblove and it's bubble tea. And don't worry, she included the straw for us as well because there is actual boba in the bottom of this jar. So this one's a little bit harder to see the boba pieces, but it's because it's a milk tea, and that's the reason why. So it is going to feature black tea leaves inside, so there is caffeine in here naturally. There's no added sugar, no artificial ingredients either. There are 6 grams of net carbs, so it is keto friendly as well. These taste amazing, you guys. My recommendation though is put it in the fridge, then shake it up, and then use your straw. That way you can get all of the boba beads down below. So that is everything inside of the Balanced Pantry Box for April. Comment down below, let us know what did you guys think of this month's box. Honestly, I love the fact that we have dinner already planned for us. And we've also got lunch planned as well the next day. There's lots of great options in here this month, but they're so easy to make. And I love that there's still nutritious, healthy options for us too. So until next time, have a fabulous rest of your day, and I will see all of you in our next unboxing video. Bye!